Hello children. So yes, we are back with the places where computer is used. So we have already covered lot many places where computer is used. Let me revise everything which we have covered already. So will you help me in that? Yes, because you know lots of places where computer is used and we have seen also. So let's start with the school, right? So yes, we can use computer in school. Your teacher is also using, and you can also use computer in the school, maybe in a library, in school offices, admin offices is also computer is used. Then second, we have seen home, to watch movie, to listen music, right? To play games, to do online shopping, we use computer at home. Then we have seen hotels and shops to keep the record of sales, right? What all things are there in the stock, right? What new things they have to buy. So to keep the record of stock and sales, they use it, and to generate bill, right? Then fourth, we have seen offices, right? So to do office work, to make a presentation, to make a report, right? Computer is used in offices. Then fifth, we have seen banks, to do the transactions, to keep the record of all the customers, because banks are having lots of customers. So keep their information, all withdrawal information. ATM is an example where computer is used, right? So e-transactions means electronic transaction, right? Airport and railway stations, to do the reservation. Last time I told you, to do the reservation, if you want to book your ticket well in advance, you use the computer, right? If you want to cancel your ticket, you use the computer. To check where the train is or where the flight is, or to check the direction of it, you have to use the computer. Then we have seen hospitals. Do you remember that robot arm which we have seen in the last session? Yes, to do the operation, robot arm helps the doctor to do this, and to get the report, accurate report, to generate the report, computer is used in hospitals. And lastly, we have seen in designing, to design a structure of house or office structure, building, or car design. So for all this purpose, computer is used, and this much we have already seen, right? Do you want to know more places where computer is used? Let's see it. Okay, so let me share the screen. So today we are going to see a place where computer is used, that is in publishing, right? Suppose someone has designed book for us, right? But it needs to be published, and only we can use that particular book, right? So in publishing, if you look at the first picture, this person is reading what? Yes, this person is reading newspaper, right? So the computer helps in printing newspapers, magazines, books, and pamphlets. Pamphlet means the paper which comes with a newspaper where all the advertisements are written, right? Free, this much discount, admissions are open, and all those things. Those are called as the pamphlets. Right? So to print that, the printer person will be using computer, right? It will be designing everything on the computer, and from computer it will give print command. Okay, next, can you see here? Do you know this book? Have you seen this book? Yes, this is the cover page of our book, computer book, right? So this book has also been designed and printed using the computer. So whenever you want to design the book, obviously you will need a computer, and when you want to publish it, at that time also you will need computer to publish it. And the third, can you see the books are coming out from this laptop, right? The computer helps in e-publishing, that is electronic publishing. We have already seen lots of e's in previous session also. Now this is fourth e, e-publishing of books, magazines, and newspaper. You are publishing it online so that people can read your books or magazines or newspapers online, on the computer or on the laptop or on the tablet or on the mobile phone, right? So that particular thing is called as e-publishing. You're not actually manually publishing it, you're not giving in hand, right? You're publishing it online so that whoever want to see it, whoever want to read it, use it, they can use it online. So this is called as e-publishing. So this is the fourth e. Okay, This is all about in publishing, how computer is used for publishing purpose. This person is reading the newspaper. So yes, this newspaper is printed with the help of computer. Then this book is designed and printed using the computer. And last, e-publishing. To do e-publishing, you need a computer. So now it's time you to repeat after me. Okay. Say printing newspapers. Printing newspapers, magazines, books, and pamphlets. Very good. Next, design and printing of books using computer. It helps in e-publishing, electronic publishing, books, magazines, and newspapers. Very good, children. Right? So today we have started our session is in publishing. How computer is used in publishing and what you can publish. Maybe a newspaper, magazine, book. Right? So for all this purpose, computer is used. Let's see what is next in our book. Oh, can you see this? Can you identify who is this person? By looking at the picture, by looking at the cloth and appearance of this person. Yes, these two persons are scientists, right? And what the scientist is using? He is using computer, right? So the title of the topic is in scientific research and defense. In scientific research and defense. So the computer helps scientists in doing research, designing robots, and forecasting weather. Research means when they want to search some new thing, right? When they want to invent something new, at that time they use computer. Scientists are using computer for that particular. And designing robots. We have seen robotic arm, right, in the hospital usage, right? So to design that type of robot, scientists use the computer. And forecasting weather means what? When it will rain, right? And in which area it will rain, at what time, right? For a week, for a day, everything will be forecasted. Well in advance, they are telling information about the weather. That is called as the forecasting weather. And to know this, scientists are using what? Yes, scientists are using computer. So scientists are using it for research, designing robots, and forecasting weather, right? So now it is raining. So tell your mama and papa that I want to check a forecasting weather report, whether tomorrow rain will come or not, right? So you can tell your parents that I want to see, right? So your parents will tell you, right? Mobile में ये चीज होता है, you can check, right? कि next week में क्या रहेगा atmosphere weather report, right? So do this, okay? Now, in this picture, if you see some satellites, can you see satellites in the picture? And this person is working on it, right? So the computer helps in launching and controlling satellites, rockets, and missiles, right? See, every time it's not possible for scientists to sit in the rocket and go, right? So sometimes what happens is satellite is controlled when you are on Earth, right? आप यहीं से वहां पे कंट्रोल कर सकते हो what is happening. You can take pictures what is there happening in on the planets and everything, right? Missiles, it is used in a defense, right? So the computer helps in launching and controlling satellites. You must have seen the movies, right, where satellites, how they are launched and how they are controlled, right? That you must have seen. And all the people in the movie were using computer. On the computer screen they were looking at, okay, now where is the satellite, in which direction it is moving, and how it is needs to be controlled and everything, right? So yes, it is done with the help of computer. Computer plays very important role to do all this. So yes, scientists are using it, as well as it is used in defense also, okay? For our security purpose also we need to use a computer for defense, okay? So we have seen computer helps scientists in, now repeat after me, research, designing robots, and forecasting weather. Then launching and controlling satellites, rockets, and missiles. Very good. So I know you must be very interested in this, how they must be doing. So you can Google it. You can go and check on the YouTube also. Okay. Okay. See what is next. Wow. In communication. Now, what do you mean by communication? Communication means when you want to interact with someone, when you want to talk with someone, when you want to share your ideas, your thoughts with someone, right? That particular thing is called as communication. Right now, I am communicating with you through this video, right? You are listening to me, right? So this is also one type of communication. There are a lot of type of communication. This is one of them, right? So in the first picture, this boy is using the mouse, and can you see this E is written over there? Now this E is nothing but Internet Explorer. This is one of the web browser, right? You must be having this in your mobile phone, your parents' mobile phone, laptop, computer, tablet, right? This is used when you want to access internet, you want to surf something, you want to check something, you want to use something on the internet. Maybe it is a Google, maybe it is a Facebook, Gmail, anything. So to access it, you need to have the web browser on your laptop or your computer or your mobile phone, right? So this boy is, what he wants to do is, he wants to communicate with the outside world. Outside world means what? His teacher has given some homework, right? And he's searching information on the internet. As I told you that check the weather forecast report. मैंने आपको बोला ना कि बारिश होगा या नहीं होगा, next week बारिश होगा या नहीं होगा, that you have to check. And for that you will use internet, right? So assume that this is you and you are using internet, right? So that means you are checking, you are communicating. किसके साथ communicate कर रहे हो? The person who put the report, जिसने report डाला है internet पे, तो आप उसका report check कर रहे हो. That means there is a communication, right? किसी ने report डाला है and you are checking that report कि okay, I want to know कि next week बारिश होगा या नहीं होगा, right? So you are communicating with the outside world and with the help of using internet. But internet आप किस पे, कौन से device पे use कर रहे हो? Yes, you will need computer or a laptop or a mobile phone or a tablet, right? So the computer helps you to communicate with outside world using the internet. So this is the overall meaning of this picture, right? This boy is communicating with the outside world using internet and computer because he is having internet on his computer, right? Now look at this second picture, right? This icon must be, you must be familiar with this icon. It's nothing but a Facebook, right? So the computer helps you to make new friends, right? Now you must be knowing your parents are having Facebook account, they are having lots of friends over there, right? They are sharing pictures, they are sharing ideas, mama must be sharing recipes, right? Yes, you can make new friends, you can share your ideas with the world, right? Suppose you are good in something, then you can share your ideas through the internet. You can share your ideas so that other person can use your idea, right? So the computer helps you to make new friends, right? There are lots of apps available, right, where you can make your account and you can connect with the new friends, right? So yes, this boy is making new friend using the computer. This boy is sharing the ideas, or sometimes maybe he's using ideas. Suppose आपको कोई मैंने project बताया है that you want to make this or you want to type this, right? So maybe you are Google करोगे, आप search करोगे information और आप किसी friend को पूछोगे, right? And you are going to take the idea and then you are using it in your project, right? So you're making new friends and sharing your ideas or taking someone's idea for your project, right? Now in third picture, now these two person are really far away, right? Maybe ये आपके पापा हैं जो घर पे काम कर रहे हैं, और ये कलीग हैं उनके जो यूके में काम कर रहे हैं या फिर यूएस में काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो अभी हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू कम्युनिकेट? सपोज आपके पापा को कोई रिपोर्ट भेजना है, राइट? इज इट पॉसिबल टू गो टू यूके एंड सेंड द रिपोर्ट? नो. एंड इट इज, वो ऐसा थोड़ी डेली जाते हैं और वहां पे रिपोर्ट देते हैं. देन हाउ दे आर कम्युनिकेटिंग? थ्रू द कंप्यूटर. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग? They are sending and receiving messages. And how? Using emails. Right? Gmail पता है ना आपको? Yes. So through emails, they are sending and receiving data, sending and receiving messages, right? आप लोगों ने भी use किया होगा to send the greeting cards, right? Yes. So आप email के through you can send or you can receive messages or anything, right? And instant messenger. Instant messenger is like a chat where you can chat instantly. You don't have to, if that particular person is online, you can just chat instantly, right? So Gmail is also having one chat that is a Gtalk, right? Now everyone is using WhatsApp and the mobile phone with which you can instantly chat with anyone, you can communicate with anyone, right? But with the help of computer also you can do that. Do you know WhatsApp? You can use WhatsApp on the laptop or computer also. WhatsApp web is there, right? With which you can communicate instantly. Okay. So in communication, we have seen computer helps you to communicate with outside world using internet. Then you can make new friends, you can share ideas, and you can send and receive emails, right? So repeat after me. To communicate with outside world using the internet. It helps to make new friends and share your ideas with the world. It helps to send and receive messages using emails and instant messenger. Okay, so what all things we have seen today? We have started with in publishing. You need to remember, okay, I have a book designed and I need to publish it. So for that, I need a computer, right? To publish newspaper, to publish magazine, to publish book, to publish pamphlet, we need computer, right? In scientific research, remember satellite? Yes. So scientist is using for research, designing robots and weather forecast. You're going to tell me next week बारिश आने वाली की नहीं, okay? Launching and controlling satellites, rockets and missiles. Then we have seen communication. You want to communicate with your cousins who are not in your city, right? Or very far away from you because everyone is locked down, right? And but still we are communicating, right? How? Through the computer, with the help of computer, right? Maybe we are sending emails or through the chatting app, we are communicating with each other. But for that, we need a computer or a laptop or a mobile phone, right? So to make new friends, to share your ideas, to send and receive messages, we use computer. So we have seen these three things today. So do read it once again and others also which we have already covered, revised it also. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Bye bye.